Imagine profiting from crypto simply by exploiting price discrepancies. That's arbitrage. And Bybit makes it easier than you think. First, head over to Bybit and in the search bar, type in arbitrage and click on the search result to access Bybit's dedicated arbitrage section. Once you're in the arbitrage section, you will see a list of trading pairs alongside potential profit percentages. Take a look at all of your options. Analyze the displayed pairs carefully. The platform highlights where to buy low and where to sell high to maximize your potential returns. The potential profit percentage is calculated based on current price differences. Select the pair you want and click on the trade button. The platform automatically pre-fills the optimal order amount and prices for both the buy and sell orders, streamlining the process. Execute the buy and sell orders quickly to capitalize on the price difference before it disappears. Monitor your order history to confirm successful trade execution and your profit. Congratulations! You've just executed an arbitrage trade on Bybit. Remember to practice risk management and always do your research before trading.